What do I feel like using? I feel like using something familiar. I'm going to use the 1080. Yeah, I'm going to pull up something. Let's find something visually. I'm going to reference this image and I'm just going to try and make something that sounds visually how this looks. Maybe I'll go with this. I like this. Something about it. I don't know. Maybe it will sound nothing like it, but it's just a really fun way to jump into some sound design. I feel like this already kind of has that type of sound to it. This delay sounds magic. I think it's because it's set maybe to the reverb output. The delay's like output is running through the reverb or something. I really want to live stream, but my internet is fixed wireless. So in case you're not from Australia, Australia actually has terrible internet. NBN is like the best form of internet, which is like fiber optics or whatever. But not everywhere has it, because like if you think about Australia, it's like such a big place, but we're not very like population dense. So there's a lot more like land mass in comparison to the amount of people. Yeah, so I'm running on fixed wireless, which is essentially satellite internet, and it sucks. The upload speed is terrible. Download's alright, and I've been thinking about like saving up to get Starlink so that I can live stream. But I think even like Starlink, so Starlink is still essentially like, it's sort of similar to fixed wireless, but I don't know the ins and outs of it. But yeah, it's like a satellite. But I've heard that like it's not that much faster. I don't know, I've been on Reddit and stuff. People just saying that Starlink speeds are like probably not even good enough to live stream. I don't think it's like consistent enough. Alright, so what the manual is telling me is this output select is running this delay signal. It's running it mono into the reverb. So I think actually the magic might be this tremolo, and maybe just because I changed the delay, I pushed it a little bit harder. Maybe we're just noticing it a little bit more. This is a spot that I like to get to. It's a really, this is kind of like the fun point when you're sound designing. But once you've shaped the sound, I wanted this to be like a lead that's kind of like bends. So we've got mono legato, and then we've done portamento, so it's got that glide to it. I've just got these like notes that they overlap, so essentially like it forces the note to glide. I've already sort of shaped this sound, but now the fun part is we get to just going back through all these sound sources and switching them out, so we'll just get like a different tone, but we've still got the same, but we still get to keep the shape, you know? Not bad. This is what we're referencing. I think this is definitely like a really fun way to sound design and create some cool loops, or even create some cool samples. Like, you know, you could do this for like literally drums or like a snare. You could make a snare out of this one image. So what we learned today, always put halftime and then just chop it, and then just put it into audio and chop it up, and it will sound really good. If you want to cop this project file, go check out my Patreon. It includes all of my project files along with my stash kit that I made this beat with, and there's some loop packs up in there as well. It's all included in the membership. It's a really great way to support the channel. And if not, no worries. As always, appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next video.